channel. In this video, from the concept of teaching learning material, especially for the high school, for the senior school, I want to show an interesting model, that is a theodolite. Okay, this is the model you can see, and especially this theodolite is used for finding the angles vertically and horizontally. So in two different ways, how to apply this project in these two concepts, how to see and how to making of this, means how they made this project also, or this model. Let us see now. So in this theodolite, I'll explain only about this model first. So already we know that it's measuring both horizontal and vertical angles. That's why we have the two measurements here. One is in upper base, it's a vertical, and one more 360 degrees angle is at the base. And in this, okay, once observe here, according to this rotating, even this line also will rotate. That means it will show the angles. For example, it's pointing at 0. So what are the object you are focusing from here? So you can able to see, and by taking up and down, we can see the angle between the two vertical angles. And similarly the base also. So base also we have the positions are there. So if you focus to the 0, okay, this is at the point 0, right? You can see 0 here. And same, by rotating some other object, we will be change the angles, so difference between them. So horizontal and vertical we can use. And this project which I am showing, this model, and the base also we have the directions, so to show the north and south, east, west, exactly measurements we can see. So especially in this model, and from here you can able to see exactly from the far. So in broad way, I'll explain again later in another video. Especially in this one, just only about this model I want to show, right? Again we'll use horizontal and vertical between the two different points, so easily we can measure the angles without getting accurate values, even by observing also.